Emily has a photo of an area with 35 inches square that she wants to paint onto a large canvas to hang on the wall. She wants the dimensions of her painting to be 3 times that of the photo. How many square feet of canvas does she need?
All right, so we want it to be how many times larger? 3 times larger. So I'm going to write on here 1 to 3. And the dimensions we're wanting is inches, inches squared, or inches cubed. Squared. So we take the ratio and we square to match the unit, so we get 1 to 9. So instead of using 1 to 3 for our proportion, you have to use 1 to 9. And the 35 is going to enlarge. So should I write the 35 on the top or the bottom? The top, because 1 is less than 9. And then let's cross multiply. So we have x equals, so if I do 9 times 35, 315. What should our units be? Inches squared. Any questions on that one? So make sure you're matching the unit, okay? All right. The next one is number 5. Campbell, let's read.
A rectangular prism has a volume of 344 cubic units. Find its volume if 2 dimensions were tripled and a third dimension was doubled.
Okay, so I want to look at it in terms of the formula. The volume of the rectangular prism is length times width times the height. So let's write out length, width, and height. So it says 2 of the dimensions are tripled and the third dimension is double. So it doesn't matter which one we're going to triple and double, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the first 2. So 2 of them are tripled, so 3 times larger than the original. Third one is doubled, so the 2 times more. So if I take 3 times 2, how many would that give us? 18. So really in the end, it's going to be 18 times greater. So the original is 344 times 18. How many would that give us?
A lot. Big number.
If you're not using it on the review, I might take the calculator away. We'll grab one. There you go. 6,192. And for this one, they didn't give us a specific unit, so you can write u cubed. If you open your calculator, it'll be very useful. Who knew, right? There you go. Let's go to number 8. All right, Jack, let's read.
A 06, B 83, C 4 negative 1, and D negative 4 2 are vertices of quadrilateral A B C D. What is true about A B and C D, A C and B D, B C and A B?
Okay, so what is the first thing that comes to your mind for us to do? Draw it. Very good. So let's go ahead and do a little sketch. It could be all over. So let's see. The first one is going to be at 06. I'm just going to kind of pinpoint where 06 might look like. So 06. Hey, whoever chose this one, good one. Very good one. So B is at 83. And I'm only approximating. This-ish looks like A3. And then C is at 4 negative 1. So 4 negative 1-ish, maybe over here. And it's okay if it doesn't look pretty. Maybe mine won't look all that great either. And then negative 4 up 2 is maybe this-ish. Let's connect them. It should be some kind of a quadrilateral. So it says, what do we notice about AB and CD? So if I want to figure out the AB versus CD, what do you think we need to do with the points given? Find the slope. Very good. So I want you to find the slope between AB and find the slope between CD and use the room on the margin up here. And just a reminder, the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Or you could do rise over run. Okay, what is the slope between AB? Negative 3 over 8. Because from 6 to 3, we've gone down 3. From 0 to 8, we went to the right 8. Okay? What about the slope between CD? Good, negative 3 over 8. So what can I say about those two lines? They are parallel. Boom. Now, does it look parallel for mine? Not really. Maybe yours do look parallel. But the look doesn't mean much except, or unless you find the slope. The next one says AC and BD. Aren't those the diagonals? Right? So between AC and BD, let's go ahead and find the slope. So we have, we know AC has to be negative because when I connect those two points, it's going downward. How many? Negative? 7 over 4. Okay. Let's find the slope between BD then. Is it positive or negative? Do we agree it's 1 over 12? So from here, we've gone up 1, and then we went to the right 12. Perfect. So is there a relationship between these two slopes?
They intersect.
They intersect. They simply just cross each other, and that's it. Can we assume that's perpendicular also then? No. What was the relationship of the perpendicular?
They're opposite.
They're opposite. These are opposite, but are they reciprocals as well? They're not. Now let's go to BC and AD. So here I have BC slope, and then here we have AD slope. They should both be positive. Okay, what's the slope of AD?
1 and 1.
1 and 1. Very good. If you got 4 over 4, that simplifies to 1. Okay? So that is also parallel. Any questions on this one? Good?